This video will help you better understand money-related problems and answer those problems more accurately and in less time. Before we get started, let's have a look at the basics of money conversion. When working with money problems, we may need to convert between pound and pence. Two rules you must know. When converting from pound to pence, we time by 100. And when we're converting from pence to pound, we divide by 100. Let's put those two rules into practice. Can you convert the values of pounds into pence? Pause the video and have a go. The first rule says that when converting from a pound to pence, we time by 100. So let's start with our conversion. £1 equals to 100p. £3.12 equals to 312p. £20 and 2 equals to 2002p. 100.5 equals to 10,050p. 0.5 of a pound equals to 50p. 0.50 is the same value as 0.5. No matter how many zeros we add, it will remain the same value as 0.5, which is going to equal to 50p. Likewise, 0.500 will also equals to 50p. 0.05 equals to 5p. Now let's convert from pence to pound. Pause the video and have a go. Applying the second rule that says when converting from pence to pound, we divide by 100. This means 250p equals to £2.50. 1280p equals to £12.8, which is also equals to £12.80. 8006p equals to £80.06. 10,040 equals to £100.4 or £100.40p. 80p equals to 0.8 of a pound. 600p equals to £6. 7p equals to 0.07 of a pound. 4p equals to 0.04 of a pound. If you had any of those values or previous values incorrect, then I suggest you work on your conversion until you reach accuracy. Because accurately converting from pound to pence and vice versa is paramount to answering money-related word problems. Now let's start with the tips. Tip number 1. If the cost has a decimal above 90p, then round it up to the nearest pounds, taking away the pence. Let's clarify this tip using the question below. Sam bought 5 boxes of oranges. If each box cost £2.95, then how much did Sam pay? To answer this question, you would need to time 2.95 by 5. But you could also answer this question in less time, using slightly different way. Now we all know that £2.95 is the same value as £3 take away 5p. Using the conversion rules discussed at the start of the video, this equals to 300 take away 5 if we convert to pence. Or it could equal to 3 take away 0.05 if we convert to a pound. What we need to do next is replace 2.95 by one of those formulas. In this case, I'm going to use 3 take away 0.05 as I find it a lot easier to work with. Whenever you replace a value by a new value or a formula, you should always use brackets. This will also be applicable in algebra. In our case, we're going to open a bracket, 3 take away 0.05, close the bracket, times 5, and that should replace the value 2.95 times 5. To solve this equation, you must time everything inside a bracket by 5. In our case, we time 3 by 5, take away 0.05 times 5. This equals to 15 take away 0.25, which should equal to 14.75. This means it's £14.75. Have a look at the next question. Sam bought 4 boxes of oranges. If each box costs £1.96, then how much did Sam pay? Pause the video and have a go. To find the total amount that Sam paid, I need to time 1.96 by 4. Using tip number 1, I would replace 1.96 by 2 take away 0.04. Don't forget to use the brackets and time the formula by 4. That would leave you with 4 times 2 take away 4 times 0.04, which should equals to 8 take away 0.16. And the value you should get is 7.84, £7.84. And our final question is question number 3. Jack bought 6 boxes of oranges. If each box costs £3.97, then how much did Jack pay? Pause the video and have a go. To find the total value that Jack paid, we need to time 3.97 by 6. We replace 3.97 by 4 take away 0.03. Between two brackets times by 6. This also equals to 24 take away 0.18, which equals to 23.82, £23.82. Keep practicing similar exercises until you are able to work out the value in your head without the need for pen or paper. If you'd like to view similar videos, then click on like or subscribe to have access to a set of relevant practical questions. If you wish to see similar videos of a particular topic, then send me a comment. Or you can click on the next video, Money Related Problems, Tip 2.